Welcome to our guide on how to mark a transaction as Do Not Push to Ledger in Docket. There are two ways to enable the Do Not Push to Ledger feature. A. During transaction categorization. B. By configuring the autopilot setting in the Reconciliation Center module of Docket. A. During manual transaction categorization. Open a transaction. To prevent transactions from being recorded in the QuickBooks Ledger, you have the option to select the Do Not Push to Ledger checkbox. This feature is useful when you have a specific reason for excluding certain transactions from the ledger. B. Autopilot Action Setting in Reconciliation Center of Docket. Autopilot settings enables user to make custom rules to define actions to transaction that match specific conditions. They are applied to all uncategorized transactions. For detailed instructions on how to enable the Do Not Push to Ledger settings in the Autopilot feature of the Reconciliation Center module of Docket, please refer to the separate video titled Docket AI Settings in Reconciliation Center of Docket. And there you have it. You have now learned how to mark a transaction as Do Not Push to Ledger in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.